Going in. What's the name of the street? We in Westland? Jabbar?
Lensville.
Lensville?
Yep.
Alright. Going in.
We're in Westland, heading on Lensville. Camera in the drain. Trying to get an eye on what's going on inside.
Is that a low spot?
Yeah, looks like it. Water's sitting there.
Right there.
What is that?
That's
It's moving.
how far is that? 14 feet?
14, yep, 14 and a half.
Well, we can only go about 14 feet over there.
Cutting? Cutting?
Cutting?
Yeah.
Nope.
Let it ride.
Yeah.
So I'll sit here for a moment. Analyze what's really going on.
Check it, go back there one more time.
I think he just made it.
Huh?
Oh, it's going through the hole.
Seems like it's trying to go through.
God, this dust is killing me.
That is something hard, ain't it?
Looked like it. It was not moving for sure.
Solid.
It's calcium? Is that what that is? It's kind of like an alien ship.
Romeo! Romeo!
We're recording. Want me to stop it?
Yeah, you cut.